What's up everybody, it's SFMZA here, bringing you another video to help you improve your lo-fi game. In this video I'll be going over how to create animated videos to help you showcase your music on Instagram or any other social media platform. P.S. No anime needed. Now again, before we go into making some magic, let's take a quick coffee break and do the ritual for the day, which is to like, subscribe and hit that bell notification button so that you're always in the loop when I release something new. Let's get into it. Now before we start, you're going to need to have access to either a computer or mobile phone, but I suggest doing this on a computer because the mobile app doesn't allow for uploading GIFs, and that's the whole secret to this source. Also, you will need to sign up for a Canva and Pinterest subscription, and both are free unless you want to unlock some pro features. You can find both links in the description below. Once you have all that in order, this is what you do. The first thing you're going to want to do is go into your Pinterest account and click the search button to search for an animated GIF of your choice. For example, heart GIF animation. Remember to always put GIF in the search term. Look for a GIF you like and click on it like so. And then click these three dots and select download. Once it's downloaded, you want to head over to Canva and select the album cover or Instagram post. Either one works for this. It'll open up a blank square, and the first thing you want to do is rename the file to whatever you want to name it. And then you want to drag your downloaded GIF into Canva like so. Once that's done, I like to choose the color for my background first, and you can do this by clicking the background, and in the top left corner you'll see a square block of color. Click it and it'll open the color tab. You'll see a lot of colors, choose one. You can change this at a later stage the same way if you'd like. Next you want to create an element, and this is where you'll put your GIF. So click on elements and then search for frames. You'll see a ton of frames. Obviously don't choose one that is exactly like mine. Once you find the frame you like, click on it once and it'll appear in the center of your square. You can resize it without moving it by holding down Alt or Command on Mac. Next thing you want to do is drag your downloaded GIF into the frame. You just add it like this and it'll start playing in a loop. I obviously don't like the blue background, so I'm going to change it by clicking the blue square and opening up the colors tab to pick a different color. This one works. Now you'll notice there's a clock here, and that's how long the GIF plays for, but we are making a video for Instagram, so we want to make sure that it is at least 30 seconds. And you can multiply your animations time by duplicating the page a few times. In this case, 6 times to get it to just over 30 seconds. Once that's done, you want to add music to it. That's the whole reason we're doing this. And you can upload music the same way, but I have some already uploaded, so I'll go to Uploads and select Audio to choose a beat. Drag it into the mix and you'll see it starts playing immediately. It plays for as long as your animation is playing. You can also drag the loop around to where you'd like it to start, like so. And once you're happy with the position, press this play button to watch the clip and see if everything is in order. If all is good, click anywhere outside of the player like this and head to the download button. You want to make sure that all the pages are selected before hitting the purple download button. If they are, you can hit the download and it'll start downloading. From there, you can upload it to any social media site of your choice. Easy, right? I hope this helps you. Anyway, thank you for watching. Don't forget to follow me on Spotify and stream my latest projects. Hit that subscribe button and leave a like before you head out to make magic. Stay making melodies. Peace.